This Tudor home features steep roofing and red brick walls. The arched windows and well-maintained landscape define its classic suburban charm. A traditional two-story residence showcasing dark brown brickwork and a steep gabled roof. The symmetrical layout exudes timeless architectural elegance. This colonial-style home combines beige siding with a dark shingle roof. The central gable and symmetrical windows highlight its historic influence. Symmetrical design defines this large brick residence. The steep roof and columned entrance create a formal and majestic suburban aesthetic. With a steep shingled roof and dark brick, this home offers cottage-style charm. The lush landscaping enhances its cozy, welcoming appearance. Highlighting Tudor architecture, this home pairs white walls with dark timber framing. Surrounded by greenery, it offers a secluded, serene retreat. A warm mix of brick and yellow trim defines this exterior. The red tiled roof adds distinct character to the sunny landscaping. This Tudor residence features multiple gables and decorative porch. The dark shingles and white trim create a picturesque suburban visual. Classic charm radiates from this brick home with a red gabled roof. The arched entryway serves as a welcoming focal point. Combining stone and stucco, this home features dark shutters and a red tiled roof. The design balances texture for a sophisticated look. Light beige stucco contrasts beautifully with the red tiled roof here. Green window frames add a specific pop of color to the design. This brick residence features a distinct white awning and dark narrow windows. The red gabled roof completes the traditional residential structure. Blending red brick with white plaster, this Tudor home features exposed beams. The design evokes a historic yet well-maintained suburban aesthetic. Stark contrast defines this Tudor style, featuring black wooden beams against white plaster. The steep roof emphasizes its classic vertical lines. This charming Tudor home showcases red tiled roofs and intricate timber framing. Multiple chimneys add architectural depth to the classic corner property.